Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Education K channel. Today I have one exercise lights on whiteboard. The show system of equation. We have x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 35 and x multiplied y is equal to 6. So this I let its first equation and this I let its second equation. And now to solve this equation we have this the Scoop's equation. So this we use the rule that we have a plus b all power 3 equals a power 3 plus b power 3 plus 3 ab and multiplies a plus b. And so this I change it to the left hand side. So we get a plus b all power 3 and minus 3ab and multiplies a plus b is equals a power 3 plus b power 3. Okay, now we use this to this. Okay, now from first equation that we have x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 35. And if we use these rules, get x plus y is all power 3 minus 3 multiplies x and multiply y and multiplies x plus y is equal to 35. And now we know the values of x multiplied y is equal to 6. So this I replace it by 6. So we get x plus y is all power 3 minus this 6 and multiply 3. We get 18 and multiplies 8 plus y and equals 35. And this I change it from the right hand side to the left hand side. So I get 8 plus y is all power 3 and minus 18 and multiply 8 plus y and minus 35 is equal to 0. And this to solve this equation, we must substitute x plus y by another variable. Now I let it t equals x plus y. So we get t power 3 minus 18 and multiply t minus 35 is equal to 0. Okay, now this group's equation. So to solve group equation, we must find the easy root. So this we must replace t for another number that's the root of this equation. So this I replace t by 5. So we get 5 is power 3 minus 18 and multiply 5 is minus 35 is equals 5 power 3 is equal 125 minus this we multiply it, we get 90 and minus 35. And this 125 minus 90 we get 35 and 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. So this t is equal 5 is one root of this equation. And we can say it's t minus 5 is one factors of this equation. And to find another factors of this equation, we use syntactic division. So this we use syntactic division. So we have t is equal 5, we can write 5 and this we get 1 and 0s and minus 18 and minus 35. And this we take 1 is down, so when we get 1 and 1 multiply 5 we get 5, and we're adding it we get 5 and 5 multiply 5 we get 25, and we're adding it we get 7 and 7 multiply 5 we get 35. Now we adding it we get 0. So now this equation we can write it t is minus 5 and multiplies t squared. This because it's 1, so we get t squared. And this 5 we get plus 5t, and this 7 we get plus 7 is equals 0. And now we have 2 factors is equal 0. If 2 factors is equal 0, we get 1 factor equal 0 and 1 factor is equal 0. So this I can write it t minus 5 is equal 0 and t squared plus 5t and plus 7 is equal 0. And this we get t is equal 5, and that's equation they will have second degree, and so if we use 0 they will have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. To find the root of this equation, we use discriminant, and we have delta is equal b squared and minus 4ac. So this we have a is equal 1 and b equal 5 and c equal 7. So this we get delta e equal 5 squared and minus 4 and multiply 1 and multiply 7. So this we get 25 and minus 28 and equal minus 3. So the equation that we have delta is negative. If it's negative, it's no real solution. It's no real solution. Okay. No real solution. Okay, now this we have this equation. It's not have real solution, so we get t is equal 5. We know that t is equal to x plus y. So this gets x plus y is equal 5. And we know this x plus y is equal 5. And we know this x multiply y is equal 6. So this x multiply y is equal 6. We know this x plus y equal 5 and x multiply y equal 6. We know this 5 I can write it 2 plus 3, and 6 I can write it 2 and multiply 3. So this we get x equal 2 and y equals 3, or x equals 3 and y is equal 2. So this gets, we check it. Okay, now we use x equal 2 and y is equal 3. If x equal 2, we get 2 power 3 and plus 3 power 3 is equal 35, and this 8 and this 27 and equal 35. It's true. Okay, and this 8 power 3, we get 3 power 3 plus 2 power 3 is equal 35. Okay, so this also like that, we get 28. 27 plus 8 equal 35. It's true. Okay, now this we have the solution. X and y is equal to 2 and 3, or 3 and 2 is our answer. Okay, now thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.